Hey, time for a ride on the Voyage. I changed my mind. I did not change my mind. Holiday World. This ride's 20 years old, if you can believe it. Considered by many to be the greatest wooden roller coaster ever built. We're gonna drop, I don't know, 150 something feet, reach a top speed of about 59 miles an hour, but I swear this is the fastest roller coaster I've been on rides that are 90 miles an hour, 120 miles an hour. This feels faster than all of them because it's just relentless. It gets faster as you go on it and it just doesn't quit. We're here for Holiwood Nights, which is the event at night for coaster enthusiasts where they turn the trim brakes off, but we're riding this during the day right now, so there will be some trim brakes, but see my other video that I'll take of the trimless ride. It's wild, but so this is it. Just a beautiful view from the top. A great backstory making this ride. Consulted Will Cook, the former president of Hollywood, consulted Holiday World, consulted with coaster enthusiasts on the layout and the design. And you can see it throughout because it's got the most airtime of any wooden roller coaster. Like 24 seconds of airtime. It's also got the most underground tunnels. And this is the first of 5 times that you're gonna go into an underground tunnel. Woohoo! Woo! Just oh yeah! We're cooking, baby! This feels out of control the entire time. Woohoo! Yo! Oh! Oh, we go! Oh! Yay! Oh! Oh, I'm gonna lose my contacts! Oh! 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 Whoa! Oh, I can't talk! I can't talk on this! Oh! Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh, it doesn't end! It never ends! Oh! Wow! Oh! Oh my Atlanta! That is the craziest thing, man.
Can we go again?
Wow! I don't know if I can. Holy smokes! Voyage,
Oliver's up there.
just the wildest ride, man. If you've never done it, you gotta do it.
She would've-
Woo!